Hi, this is Crystal from the Rain Dance Ranch. We just finished the phase 1 of the Gilbert installation. So I did do another video about this. I'm not sure if I'm going to post it, so there could be another video. I talked more about these mysterious succulents. So we put 3 of these mysterious succulents inside each one of these pots with bark and the cordyline. That's a type of bromeliad. And so those mysterious succulents should sort of start filling in, and they just sort of stay tight to the soil. They might eventually start spilling over. I haven't had a lot of experience with them, but they do real well in the desert here in Phoenix. And they look like the kind of succulents that would never make it in the summer outside, but they do. So that's why we put them there, and hopefully these will grow into beautiful, beautiful planters. But I really like the way this looks. So let's see if we can get a nice big view of the whole area. Really nice little area here. And then it flanks their outdoor kitchen, bar, whatever you want to call that. So when you're sitting over there, you can look down this way. There's a pool over here. So this is the area that we planted. And it doesn't necessarily need a lot more here. It'll just need maintenance, although I do have some ideas for making it better. But we were able to move that boulder over, and we turned it around. I really like the striations on this side of the boulder. And it's just a much more comfortable walkway to get to the back there, to get over to the pool pump, which is over there. But we've got 2 purple lantanas. I always recommend purple lantanas. They look good year-round typically. This is quite a bit of a shady spot, so we're just going to put these in, see how they do. Lantana typically likes a little more sun, but that fortnight lily right there and the Xanadu are going to like the shade. And then they've got umbrellas and stuff that they can make adjustments in the summertime if it gets a little more sun. Then we're hoping for the Xanadu and the fortnight lily. And the owner is willing to mess around with creating shade to protect these plants this first coming summer. So, but they should be nice and established in the next couple months. And they are going to be putting new rock in, but I tried to level out everything, and I added sort of like some berms here in front of these plants so that they have a chance to accumulate water a little better. And that might be redone. I just wanted to get this cleaned up and looking halfway decent. I have some ideas for doing something with this. I was thinking that we could put some kind of a sculpture over it. We could also put a pot over it and then make like a false bottom, or like so. Anyways, I have an idea for putting a pot on top of that thing. And over here, I'd like to see these edges be dug out because they get a lot of soil creeping onto the pavers here. And so I was thinking it would be nice to sort of dig this out and then have a nice thick 2-inch layer of whatever their rock dressing is. And that'll kind of help keep all of the dirt from coming into this area without having to build some kind of a little retaining type situation. But it may come down to that. But I think we can make this work without building some kind of retaining thing. or we can make this soil harder and less likely to degrade. But I don't know if that's going to happen. So anyways, real happy with the way this looks. I think it's going to grow in nicely. If they don't do anything, it'll still look nice. Although I would like to see a little something back here, something more vertical. And I do have some other ideas. Okay, so Crystal from the Rain Dance Ranch. Fortunately, we don't have a Sasquatch problem here in this backyard, so these people can do whatever they want, and they should. In fact, when it rains, go out and dance. They should do that all the time. All right, thanks for watching. Crystal finishing up the phase 1 at the Gilbert residence. Thanks, bye.